Good morning, dear students. Just before we discuss that how to prove under root 2 is irrational. So let's proceed for the exercise 1.3. So in exercise 1.3, the first question it is to prove under root 5 is irrational. Already we proved under root 2 is irrational and the same steps will be followed for under root 5. But in that case, that will be under root 2 and here it is under root 5. There the common factor will be 2 and here the common factor will be 5. But all the steps will be same as to prove under root 2 or under root 5 irrational. So please follow the step already we discussed in the previous part. Okay, so let's proceed for the question number 2. So in question number 2 it is given that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. ये आपको प्रूव करना है 3 plus 2 under root 5. So the same process we have to start. That what? It is let 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Is rational. So is rational. So what happened? Suppose 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A upon B, where A and B are any integers and B should not be equal to 0. Okay. So let's write it again. 3 plus 2 under root 5 equal to A upon B. So just take this 3 that side. So it will be 2 root 5 equal to A upon B minus 3. It will be 2 root 5 equal to A minus 3B upon B. So now here it is 2 and here it is in multiplication, so we have to take it that side, so it will be division. So what it will be? It will be under root 5 is equal to A minus 3B upon 2B. Okay. So it is taken equation 1. The equation states what? That under root 5 is equal to A minus 3B upon 2B, where A, B are what? Any integers. तो अगर ए बी के जगह पे हम कोई भी इंटीजर्स अगर पुट करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? दिस वैल्यू विल बी ए रैशनल नंबर, बट अंडर रूट 5 इज व्हाट? इट इज irrational number. So it means whatever we assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, but what we found? There is no possible statement because एक इरेशनल नंबर रैशनल नंबर के साथ इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता है. It is not possible. Okay, so it means 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So let's write. So what I found, that under root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon b. Okay, so it is equation 1. अब equation a minus 3b upon b is a rational, whereas under root 5 is irrational. Already we prove it. Is irrational. It means equation 1. It means equation 1 is not possible. Because a rational cannot be equal to an irrational. Hence, under root 5 is irrational. Under root 5 is irrational. So this is about question number 2. So let's proceed for question number 3. So question number 3 is what? Here we have to prove that the following are irrational numbers. So some numbers are given and we have to prove those numbers are irrational numbers. So it is question number 3 first. One upon root 2. We have to prove this is irrational. Same process, that let 1 upon root 2 is rational. Suppose 1 upon root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are any integers and b not equal to 0. So let's write it again. 1 upon root 2 is equal to a upon b. So just do cross multiplication. Otherwise just reciprocal it. Reciprocal it means under root 2 upon 1 is equal to b upon a. So it is what? Under root 2 is equal to b upon a. It is equation 1. So in the equation 1, b upon a is what? It is a rational number, whereas already we proved under root 2 is irrational. It means equation 1 is not possible. So 1 upon under root 2 is irrational number. So let's write equation 1 is not possible because a rational, that is b upon a, should not be equal to an irrational, that is under root 2. So 1 upon under root 2 is irrational. Clear? So let's proceed for the second question. So second question is what? You have to prove 7 under root 5 is irrational. Same process, let 7 under root 5 is rational. Suppose 7 under root 5 equal to a upon b, where a and b are any integers, and b is not equal to 0. So now let's write it again. So 7 root 5 is a upon b. So here 7 multiply root 5 is equal to a upon b. So here it is multiply. So here it will be divide. So under 5, let's take 7 to that side. So it will be divided, that is 7b, a upon 7b. It is equation 1. Same step, a upon 7b is what? It is rational, and under root 5 is irrational. And the equation 1 is not possible. So let's write the equation 1 is not possible because a rational, that is a upon 7b, should not be equal to an irrational, that is under root 5. Hence 7 under root 5 is irrational. So now next is third question in the third. So this is the same as already we did in question number 2. So I think all of you can do this. So this is the end of exercise 1.3. Thank you.